Get out of the road.
Yeah, come over here.
Can you see?
Thank you.
I wanted to surprise you guys as well.
That was so sweet.
Thank you very much.
That was so sweet.
I got lucky because
Now we get ice cream.
Oh yeah, now we get ice
the
cream.
owner was here.
Aw.
And it had to go through the owner. Otherwise, it's controlled by corporate. They put signs daily, you know, and because the owner was here, the manager was like, you know what?
Pretty,
let me go
pretty,
talk to them.
pretty.
It's like she goes
See,
for this
beautiful.
kind of stuff.
Oh my gosh.
I'm shaking.
And again, wanted to do it while you guys were here. Because figured what
Oh
would
my
be better
gosh.
time while you guys were here making stuff for everybody.
Thank you.
They stopped traffic for you guys.
That was cool.
Hannah, what do you think?